Hi everyone, this is Perry, back again with another video. I want to share some information with you on unstoppable domains. This today is going to be very exciting because, this is something that we don't get to do that often, and it doesn't come along too often. So basically what I'm talking about are blockchain domain names. This is where you can create whatever domain name you like if it's available, and you can put it on the blockchain. It's non-censored, it's private, and it's yours forever until you decide to sell it or transfer it to someone else. So what I'm going to do first is just show you some of the top 250 most expensive websites back in the day for the .com bubble, or actually when the .com first came out, the internet. As you can see, LasVegas.com here sold for $90 million. Carinsurance.com sold for $49 million. If you go down here and look at IRS.com, they sold for $12.5 million. Hotels.com sold for $11 million in 2001. I mean, you can look at the dates here, and you can kind of see where I'm going with these domain names. A lot of these domain names are going to be available on Unstoppable Domains. So I would highly recommend that you go, if you're interested in getting a domain name, right now is a good time to do them, because there's a lot of folks going out here buying up these domains, and they're only $10 to pre-order. And once again, once you register them, they're yours. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But first I want to show you some that may or may not be available. So we're going to go ahead and search for a couple. You're seeing cars on the other, on the top 250 most expensive list. Let me see if cars.zil is available. Let's see if it's available. Okay, so it's not available. However, it's available at the auction. So if you want to add this to your watch list, you can do so right here. And when the auction comes on May 31st, a little bit more than a month away, you can go ahead and see if you can possibly get that one at the auction. Let's see if another one's available. Let's try insurance. Let's see if insurance.zil is available. Okay, that's another one that's available at the auction on May 31st. Let's try a couple of more here. Let's do hotels. Hotels.zil, and you have to use extension .zil. And this blockchain is on the Zilliqa blockchain. So let's see if hotels.zil is available. Well, it's not available. However, it's available at the auction, and you can certainly put it on your watch list right here if you want to. Let's just do one more. Let's go vacation rentals. Nah, I'm sorry, not .zil. Let's see if that one's available. Okay, once again, it's not available. However, it's going to be available at the auction. So, and that's like, once again, the auction is going to occur on May 31st, 2019. So really how you get a domain, if you're interested in getting one, you can just go click right here and search for a domain. Let me do something. Let's see. Just for example, to see, just so you can see how to reserve one of these domains. Okay, right there, whatever I like.zil, let's see if that's available. Okay, that one's available, so you can pre-register for this one. All you have to do, if you want to purchase it for $10, you go ahead and click this and add it to the cart. Once it's in the cart, you can go to your cart and check out. You can use a credit card, I think, and PayPal to do this. So I would highly recommend, if you're ever thinking of reselling domains, or if you're into domains, make sure you go ahead and register your domain with Unstoppable Domains. So let me go back here. So we'll go down here. This is one of the main features that I love about getting your domain on Unstoppable Domains, or actual domain on the blockchain. Right now, our wallet addresses, when we transfer cryptocurrency, either to an exchange or to another individual, we have to use this long string of characters, I think 41 characters. And that's a long, and it's difficult to remember. You can't really remember. But in this case, when you get your blockchain domain, let's say you use your name, and I've used my name, and I already registered my name for a domain. In fact, I have 11 domains. But what you'll be able to do is, if you want to send anyone cryptocurrency, you'll be able to send it. If their name is Emily and they have the domain emily.zil, all you have to do is, when you're sending your cryptocurrency to Emily, you just type in emily.zil, it'll automatically go to her. And whether it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, it does not matter. It'll know which cryptocurrency you're sending, and she'll get it through this domain name right here, emily.zil. So to me, that is just amazing to me. So I look forward to actually being a part of this in the future. So the release schedule currently, we're right here. The names are available for pre-order. So I kind of just walk you through that. Registration ends in May. You know, the auction is May 31st. Okay, and they just say summer 2019. So I recommend you just go to the site and take a look at this. I have a link down in the description below for Unstoppable Domains. Once again, it supports the channel. So if you want to get a domain, please click that link, and I'd certainly appreciate it. Also, Unstoppable Domains, just to let you know, they are on Twitter. So here you can see their Twitter handle here. So you just go there and check out that. It'll give you the latest information on Unstoppable Domains. So if you have any questions or comments, please make sure you leave a comment or a question down below. Make sure, if you like the video, like it. If you like it, just go ahead and subscribe or like it. And if you want to know when I'm going to be releasing more videos, just click on that bell and to be notified when I release new videos. So thank you very much. I certainly hope you get as many domain names as you want. In fact, once you register your domain names, I'd like to see some of the domain names you've actually registered down in the comments below if you certainly want to do that. Once again, folks, thank you, and you guys have a great day.